This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. We are looking at how to pronounce the name of one of the driest of all sweetness levels in sparkling wines, especially the French wines made in Champagne. We are looking at how to pronounce Brut. Brut, with the typical French pronunciation, this would be pronounced, since this is a French word, this would be pronounced Brut. Brut. But if you cannot pronounce the French R and the French U, the French U, which are both quite specific and a little hard to pronounce, you can just say Brut. Brut. But if you want to pronounce it the true, typical French way, you can say Brut. Champagne Brut, or Brut Champagne, a champagne that is brut, that is quite dry. I hope this video was useful. You can check out other sweetness levels such as extra brut, demi-sec, and many others on this very channel. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye.